Good afternoon, everyone. Presentation on performance appraisal process. Meaning of performance appraisal. Performance appraisal is the process of deciding how employees do their jobs. It includes how well an individual is fulfilling the job requirements. It is a systematic and objective way of evaluating both work-related behavior and potential of employees. Uh, Meaning of performance appraisal. Uh, a performance appraisal is regular review of an employee's job performance and overall contribution to a company, also known as an annual review. Performance review or evaluation or employee appraisal. A performance appraisal evaluates an employee's skills, achievement, and growth or lack of theory of. Methods of performance appraisal. In performance appraisal, there are mainly two types. Traditional method. In traditional method, classified into graphic rating scales, ranking method, paired comparison, post distribution, essay or free form appraisal. And second one, modern method, behaviorally anchored rating scales, management by objectives, and 360-degree objectives of performance appraisal: to increase motivation and productivity, to enhance transparency, to retain top talent, to increase commitment, to develop employees.
Next, for our study purpose, we have chosen telecommunication industries, and we have selected two companies, that is Vodafone and Airtel. Now, first here, I'll deal with the Vodafone. In Vodafone, the employees are evaluated by how they accomplish a specific set of objectives that have been determined for a successful completion of their job. Like, this method is known as management by objectives, that is MBO process. Now, I would like to say what is MBO process. MBO is the process that converts the organizational objectives into the individual objectives. It consists of 4 steps, that is that is here first organization goals, that is, and set the next the organization goals are set into the departmental goals. Next, among the departments, they will discuss that goals. Next, that goals will be assigned to the individual, and they expect the result from the individuals. Next, the performance review will be done by the managers, and here they are going to measure the results. Next, here in this step, they'll provide the feedback. If the employees are deviating from their work related, then the corrective actions will be taken. So this is all about the MBO process. The next is, I would like to explain outcomes of performance appraisal. In Vodafone company, there are 4 possible outcomes. The first is outstanding, excellent, next is good, and below average. What is outstanding? If the performance evaluated by the management turns out to be outstanding, is known as outstanding performance appraisal. If the employee performs in such a way, and if he collects the 3 consecutive outstanding performance, he or she gets promoted to the next level. Next is excellent. Even this is same as outstanding. If the employee performs in a way, and if he or she collects 3 consecutive excellent performance, even in this case, they will get promoted to the next level. The next is good. If the performance evaluated by the management turns out to be good, this is known as good performance appraisal. Here, if the employee gets the good performance appraisal, then he or she will be sent to the training programs in order to improve his or her skills to perform. The next is below average. If the performance evaluated by the management, if it turns out to be below average, and if the employee collects 3 below average, then he or she will be dismissed, or he or she will be terminated, or they will be fired out from the company. This is all about the outcome of performance appraisal. The next I want to explain is duration of performance appraisal. Means how frequently they will perform the perform appraisal of the employees. The time constraint enables the employees to show or project his or her capabilities in terms of performance as per the durations allowed. In a selected company, that is Vodafone, the performance appraisal system is carried out annually. This is the duration of performance appraisal.
Next is Airtel. Performance appraisal according to Airtel. Employees should to be update to change in the business environment. Delivery on the multiple key performance indicators. Person should be able to work dynamic environment. Company philosophy is not just job but career. Behavior in the given the robust career, given the employees the ground reality. Performance appraisal methods following Airtel. That is key result area based on appraisal. Key result area from the change from job to job. Checklist methods is used to performance appraisal here. Method is sum of every job role in the organization.
The people who appraise in the organization. The reporting manager. The reporting manager duty is related to the maintaining the company and financial statement and reporting manager person. And a reporting manager is the head of the company and functional head. Functional head is the manager head of the department and manages and own resources in the department. And HR, human resources. Human resources manager, they may also handle the employee in the organization. Then performance appraisal process in frequency. The performance appraisal process happens twice in a year, mid-year, course correction, and year-end rating on performance.
Conclusion. By the overall study of performance appraisal in the both companies was very good study experience. Vodafone company uses MBO process, that is, it uses modern method in performance appraisal. Airtel uses checklist method and KRA method for performance appraisal. So we came to know that different companies uses different methods, traditional and modern method for the performance appraisal for their employees. Finally, performance appraisal is a powerful tool to elaborate, refine, and reward the performance of the employees. Thank you.